Hello replacement teachers! This video is going to be your crash course walkthrough of the Google Classroom environment in order to be able to meet the needs of the students for the day. I'm going to be helping you navigate to classroom.google.com, and you're going to see the Google Classroom that you've been invited to as a co-teacher. So when you open up a Chrome browser, you're first and foremost going to need to ensure are you logged into that Chrome browser with your ECSD username and password. Once you've done that, you can navigate to classroom.google.com. You could do that by typing it in the box, or of course you can use the ECSD bookmarks and you'll see Google Classroom there. Once you get there, you're going to see an invitation waiting for you to be part of the Google Classroom. You'll be able to see that classroom and you'll be able to click Accept. Once the Google Classroom opens, you're going to notice that you're taken to the Stream section. This is where you can make announcements for the class. It's a great idea to be able to share something with the class and introduce yourself as the replacement teacher. In this announcement, you could also include the schedule for the day, including when you plan on meeting on the Teams video chat. When you're ready to post the announcement, you'll simply hit Post and it will show up in the stream. If the teacher has allowed class comments to occur in the Google Classroom, students will be able to reply back in the commenting section. The next location to go is to the Classwork tab. Here you'll be able to see a topic for subplans. Inside the subplans, you will see that there is going to be instructions for you that will be able to have things like how to take attendance, the timetable, procedures for the class list, and more. Another thing you'll see is the actual subplans for the students. This will be the assignment that has been posted for them. That'll include all of the instructions as well as any of the materials and templates that the students need for the day. When you hit View Assignment, you'll be able to see all of the students in your class with all of their work and attachments there. As well, you can still click on the instructions to see what the information is that the students need to complete and be able to have a class discussion about it if need be and if class comments are allowed. If for some reason you get to the Google Classroom and the subplans and you notice that nothing has been assigned, that they're still in draft, it means that the students can't see it yet. So what you would be able to do is to open up that assignment and be able to edit the assignment and then click Assign to the students. That way they can now see that assignment in their Google Classroom. In the next video, we'll be teaching you how to be able to access the video meeting link inside the Google Classroom. So that's it, a very simple crash course to Google Classroom. Your teacher will have posted the assignment to the students as well as invited you as a co-teacher, and you can simply interact with the students via the comments or keeping track of the work that they are completing. If you do need to see an individual student's work, you'll simply click on that assignment and be able to see how they're doing.